Hey everybody, today we are making some Plinko boards. I don't know if you would really call it a Plinko board, but I didn't know what else to call it. So that's what we're calling it. So you can see I have it started here. So you can make full scale ones or you can make smaller scale ones. Totally up to you. I am using paper towel roll, toilet paper roll, and tape to make mine. So yeah, so when you're building it, there's a couple things you want to keep in mind. Where you want it to go, and then also, so if you want it to be a hard angle, you got to tape it up to make sure that the marble's not going to fall out of the bottom. So I'm going to do the other side here, make a bit of a different pattern on the other side, and then once I get these other two pieces on, we'll give it a test run, okay? So this is part of our STEM program for the month. So STEM again stands for science, technology, engineering, and math. That piece is too small, so we'll use it for something else. I've done that a lot when I've been making this. Okay, so I'm going to put this one here. And then I'm going to use this piece bridge them together, and then really just to make sure that it doesn't fall out that side hole, I'm going to put on another piece just like that. Perfect. And then hopefully it doesn't come out of there. So then we'll put on another piece. I'm going to angle it down like this. And you could do this with straws too on a smaller scale. Straw, and then you could use beads or whatever to go into it. It's not as important to do it on this one, but I can see it just shooting out the end there. Okay, perfect. So you can see that I have the two different kind of ways for this to go. And then if you are doing this at home, just make sure that you're using a tape that is friendly for your paint or wallpaper. We don't want to be ripping that off, so I use painter's tape for this. So I'm going to drop a marble down here, and then we'll see which way it goes here. So it went out the far side. So I think, I don't know, I feel like it always goes out that side. I'm going to try another one and try and put it down the other side, see what happens. Oh. No, it still went the other way. So you can play around with this at home, and then something that you can do is you could like do the probability, and if you have siblings at home or whatever that you're doing it with, you can be like, oh, I bet you it's going to go this way or it's going to go this way, and then you can figure out the stats on it goes to the left 56% of the time and it goes to the right the rest of the time kind of thing, or it gets stuck this percent of the time. Yeah, so have fun making your own boards at home. If you are in need of supplies to do this, we have tons of rolls here that you can use, and tape as well. Yeah, and we hope you have fun. This is engineering. You're engineering your own Plinko boards or your own marble runs, however you want to call them. Yeah, and have fun experimenting with different things for them to go on too. Like this is, you can't see the marbles, which isn't the most fun, but you could use like the things from Scrabble, and then you can see them going, and you can arrange it different ways. So yeah, have fun with this one at home, and feel free to show us the marble runs that you guys make at home. Send us what you've built and show us your marble going through your path. All right, have fun, guys. Bye.